Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia T20, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. And to get started, you'll want to hold your power key right up here. Once you see your two options right here, hold power off. This will then give you this pop-up right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm by tapping on OK. And while it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly just describe what this mode is for. So in does not disturb, or not does not disturb, in the safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, and that is strictly so you can actually troubleshoot your device. If you have previously installed some kind of application that is causing you problems where the device is malfunctioning, you can boot it into safe mode, and that app shouldn't be able to run in this mode, as you can get rid of it or try to troubleshoot your device from there. So as you can see, there is the safe mode marking right at the bottom. So the device is now in the desired mode. And like I mentioned, in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Now, there's also a quick way you can verify which app will work and which one will not. If you go into your apps right here, all of the apps that you can see right here will function no problem. And I know that because all of them just look normally as the typical colored application. Apps that you have installed yourself from Play Store or anywhere else will be monochrome, so there will be kind of like this grayish color, and those apps will not be able to launch. And even if you try to, the phone or tablet will give you the pop-up that this app cannot launch in safe mode. Anyway, once you're done with this mode, you can simply hold the power key once again, and this time around just tap on restart, and this will reboot the device and bring you back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.